Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is my third ride after doing the tune, and look at this, the dash is normal. We're gonna do a little acceleration here, you know, first gear, pull, and all that stuff, compare it to stock. And then at some point we'll do like a top speed run where we'll compare the difference. But so far, oh man, it feels. And now that the because again, I don't know if you guys know this, but the throttle it's electronically controlled, right? There's no cable to it, so the induction note now seems louder just because when you're going, say, 80% throttle, it is actually allowing the throttle to be open 80% of the way or 100% of the way, instead of you having it pinned and the computer's like, yeah, but we're only going to give you 60. So it just sounds louder now, which is awesome. So we're gonna go out here, and initially when I did my first acceleration run, we did you know, first gear about 8,000 RPM in rider mode, which I have set to full power and traction control off. So we're gonna do that here once come to a nice little stop, and I'm going to switch it. So there we go. And then we're gonna go ahead and also turn on the quick shifter. I'm so excited. All right, so we're gonna get up to about 8,000 RPM, and then we're gonna give it the beans. All right, full power, traction control off, and here we go. Here we go. That feels so much better. Oh, finally, the thing pulls all the way to redline now. Wow, it feels so much faster. Also, make sure you guys use the affiliate links I have down below for Insta360 so you can get some cool shots, as well as MyFit Foods for meal prepping if you guys are trying to meal prep, but hey, you don't want to spend the money and you don't want to spend the time. This can save you some money and save you some time, and it's good food, so check those out. Guys, I mean, it's such a huge difference. The bike actually feels how it should have been from the factory. Oh, that was awesome. And he's going, so all right, we're gonna do another first gear little pull here onto the highway. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Oh my God. Oh, that just feels so much better, guys. Like, it's crazy. When it hits about 10.5, the bike just pulls way harder than it used to. That is awesome. Like, the bike just pulls so much harder. All right, and then we're gonna do a quick little fourth gear acceleration. So fourth gear at 8,000, because I'm pretty sure that's what I did last time. And then we'll kind of see the difference there. All right, 60 miles an hour, and here we go. RPM, about 62 miles an hour, and here we go. Much faster. That feels amazing. I mean, like, the bike feels kind of how you expect it. It isn't obviously like mind-blowingly fast, but it finally has like that healthy power that the bike needed. Oh, that was great. Sorry if the audio was terrible. I just realized that I didn't have my oh yes, oh my god, that feels great. Oh man, this is not where I want it to be. This thing finally feels how you expected it to feel. Oh my god. So there you go. Again, for those of you who aren't familiar, I went with the two-wheel DynoWorks tune, and when they dynoed this bike stock, it made about well, I think it was like a 52 horsepower, and then with the tune, with stock exhaust, stock air filter, all that stuff, just with the tune, oh dude, and the quick shifter feels even smoother. Just with the tune, it went to 71 horsepower at peak. So you're basically gaining 20 wheel horsepower from this tune. And let me tell you guys, that's what this bike needs. Like, if this is how this bike came from the factory, oh man, because now you're making, like I said, 70 horsepower to the wheels, which is, so that puts it, that's the same as, you know, a Yamaha R7. You know, it's a little under something like a CBR 650R, but I mean, man, it just feels so much better now. And like I said, you really feel it once you get past like right around 10. You really feel the bike start to pull, and it pulls all the way to red line now, as opposed to just kind of like halfway doing it. That was amazing. We'll do like one from like 10,000. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh my god. So yeah guys, there you go. There's a little acceleration comparison for you guys. It is definitely much faster. We'll do a top speed run. Oh, there's a donkey. We'll do a top speed run in the next video. But if you guys have any questions or anything, please feel free to leave a comment down below. All right guys, so like I said, hope you guys enjoyed the little acceleration comparison. It feels so much better. Like, you can tell the bike just feels freer. It's not as restricted. It feels amazing. And again, third ride, everything's back to normal. Quick shifter works again. All the rider modes are good. So yeah, this thing, it feels so much better now. Again, I use two-wheel DynoWorks. If you guys want to use somebody else, that's totally up to you. But so far, it seems, just on my third ride here with the new ECU, everything seems normal. The bike feels amazing, and it definitely pulls a lot harder. Again, this is how this bike should have been from the factory. So anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, maybe 2 likes, and I will see y'all in the next video. Take care.